This is a Superus Facial Interface for the Meta Quest 2. Now recently found myself in need for an upgrade because, well, my face pad from the Meta Quest 2 looks like this, practically screaming for retirement, and clearly doesn't handle sweat well. This one, however, is made of sweat-proof foam, so it won't look all worn out in about 6 months or so, and it's a lot thicker than the original, as you guys can see. This isn't just for the looks, it's designed this way to be more comfortable, so think of it like having a comfier cushion on your face. It feels super comfortable, so not only is this hygienic, it also provides a more comfortable VR experience. The face pad is easy to install. Simply remove the original one from the Meta Quest 2 and attach the Superus Facial Interface in its place. Takes about 10 seconds to replace it. There's no user manual inside the box to guide you. It's pretty straightforward. This is easy to clean. You can just wipe it with a cloth, and you can also take the entire pad out thanks to its Velcro design. In conclusion, I'd say this definitely enhances your comfort. It's more hygienic, so it's not going to be all sweaty on the inside after 1 hour of gaming, and it's super easy to install. So if you're still using the stock facial interface, it's definitely worth considering this upgrade. And compared to some of the other brands I found, this one is more budget friendly as well.